Donald Trump has announced to remove Sudan from state sponsors of terrorism list. Europe tightens virus curbs as global cases top 40 million. Indian troops murder Kashmiri youngster in Indian occupied Kashmir. In Afghanistan, 14 including 6 Afghan army soldiers and 8 Taliban have been killed during latest crisis in Kunduz province. Italy imposes new restrictions after surge in coronavirus cases. Zalmi calls for strict adherence to US Taliban peace deal. President of Pakistan urges National Skills University to provide skill-based technical education.